Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Introduce myself. My name is Santi Fauzia Ramadhani with NIM 200530056, majoring in economics education. So today I will presentation about the types, form, and methods of cooperative level. Okay, the first material is types of cooperative. Cooperative classification is the grouping of cooperative into certain groups based on certain criteria and characteristics. This classification is based on the similarity of business activities and or members' economic interests. The first is types of cooperative by business activities. The classification of cooperative according to their business activities is based on the type of business field that the cooperative runs. The first is consumer cooperative. Consumer cooperative are cooperative that seek to provide goods needs by its member in particular and society in general, both primary needs and secondary needs that can improve the welfare of members' life. The next is producer cooperative. Producer cooperative is a cooperative that seeks to activate its member in producing certain products and at the same time regulate its marketing so that producers will get the same price that is reasonable and easy to market their products. The next is service cooperative. Service cooperative carry out non-savings and loan service business activities required by members and non-members. The next is savings and loan cooperative. Savings and loan cooperative is a cooperative that runs a savings and loan business for its members who need money or goods to meet their daily needs by arranging for the loan of money or goods with the lowest possible interest. And the last is other types of cooperative according to business activities are multi-purpose cooperative. Multi-purpose cooperative is a cooperative that runs several business fields according to the interests of its members. Type number 2 is types of cooperative according to the group of people who founded it. There are 3 types, and the first is civil servant cooperative. The next is cooperative in the armed force, and the last is women cooperative, teacher cooperative, veterans cooperative. Types of cooperative according to the group of people who founded it. This type of cooperative is based on the group of people who are members of the cooperative. Civil servant cooperative is a cooperative consisting of civil servants residing in a work area. The next is cooperative in the armed force. Cooperative within the armed force are cooperative whose members are members of the armed force in accordance with their field and areas of work. And the last is other types of cooperative according to the purpose, according to the people who co-founded them are women's cooperative, teacher cooperative, veterans cooperative, and others. Each of these types of cooperative seeks to improve the welfare of the members in their respective group. And the last types of cooperative is type of cooperative by community. The first is mining cooperative, the second is agricultural and livestock cooperative, the third is industry and craft cooperative, and the last is service cooperative. Mining cooperative is a cooperative that conducts business by exploring or utilizing natural resources directly without changing the shape and nature of the natural resources. For the examples, gold panning and river stone collector. Agricultural cooperatives are cooperatives that carry out business related to certain agricultural commodities. For the examples, rubber, tobacco, cloth, and others. Livestock cooperative is a cooperative whose business is related to certain livestock commodities. For the examples is milk processing cooperative, poultry cooperative, and others. The next is industry and craft cooperative. Industrial cooperative or craft cooperative are cooperatives that carry out their business in certain industrial or handicraft business fields. For the examples is cooperative of batik, cooperative of weaving, and others. And the last is service cooperative. Service cooperatives are cooperatives that specialize in producing and marketing certain service activities. For the example is transportation service cooperative, marketing service cooperative, and others. The next is cooperative firm. The determination of the form of a cooperative is based on the members of business first or the type of business run by the cooperative. The first is single-purpose cooperative. Single-purpose cooperative is a form of cooperative that only runs one type of business. For the example of single-purpose cooperative include saving and loan cooperative, consumer cooperative, service cooperative, and producer cooperative. The next is multi-purpose cooperative. Multi-purpose cooperative is a form of cooperative that runs many types of business. An example of a multi-purpose cooperative is the village unit cooperative. And the last material is cooperative level. Cooperative level is the primary cooperative and secondary cooperative. Primary cooperative is the lowest cooperative level. Primary cooperative are cooperatives that are established by individuals and consist of individuals according to law number 17 of 2012 primary. Cooperative members at least 20 people. Primary cooperative are domiciliary in areas with the lowest level, such as sub-district or village. The next is secondary cooperative. Secondary cooperative is a cooperative established by a legal entity and consists of a cooperative legal entity. In other words, the members of the secondary cooperative are primary cooperative, at least 3 primary cooperative. The secondary cooperative is used to increase member business and unit business potential. The secondary cooperative are divided into 3 types. The first type is central cooperative, joining cooperative, and the last is parent cooperative. We can see the slide. The 3 types of secondary cooperative. The first is central cooperative is a combination of the at least 5 primary cooperative. that are already legal entities. The central cooperative is domiciled in an area with a higher regional level than the primary cooperative. For the example, the Regency Capital. The next is joint cooperative. Joint cooperative are cooperative with a minimum of 3 central cooperative that are already legal entities. Joint cooperative are domiciled in areas with a higher regional level than central cooperative. For the example, the province capital. And the last is parent cooperative. Parent cooperative is a cooperative consisting of a minimum of 3 joint cooperatives that are already legal entities. The parent cooperative is domiciled in the area with the highest regional levels. For the example is the state capital. So that's all for me. Sorry for more and less, and I hope you understand and enjoyed the video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you.